1966 Chevrolet Malibu. Very nice, clean car. Got a Ford air cleaner on it, but we won't hold that too much against it. Power steering. Looks like maybe, no air conditioning. Nice shiny mag wheels, 327 emblems. Very nice car. Belongs to Conroy Classics. I'm not familiar with them, but nonetheless, it's a car that anybody would be proud to own if they like 66 Chevelles. And I like 66 Chevelles. I don't know what the color is, but nice deep chrome reverse rims. Mags. It's an automatic on the floor. Nice bucket seats. Nice interior. Aftermarket digital radio. Air conditioning stuff inside, but didn't see the compressor or anything. Yeah, I like it a lot. And I thought the firewall looked like air conditioning too. So it could have air conditioning again real easy.